Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is how to create this beautiful flower pot magnet, and for the base I have used ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks, and this is very easy to make and it is looking very attractive, isn't it? All the flowers are handmade, so I will share how to create the circular pot shape using ice cream sticks, and on the back side I have attached the magnet to decorate the fridge or almirah. So let's get started. Here I am taking these colored ice cream sticks because I have those, but you can also use natural color ice cream sticks, and taking total 8 sticks and joining together. Anyways, I am going to color it later using peach shade, so you can use uncolored sticks as well. So all 8 sticks are attached. I am just aligning it nicely in a row. Now to give it nice support from back side, I am taking 2 more sticks and sticking it horizontally like this. Allow it to dry completely. So the base is completely dried. Now from the front I am just coloring using peach color. Here I have created this color by mixing white, red and little bit of yellow. Don't forget to color the sides as well. Like this. And this is completely dried. I have kept the back side as it is. Now to create the pot, here I am taking this 400 GSM craft cardstock which measures 14 by 3 centimeters, and from left side I have creased at 4 and 10 centimeters, and we just need to fold it like this and just bend the front portion in a curvy manner to look like a pot shape. Now I'm just joining both these folded parts with each other. Like this, and then I am taking one more piece of ice cream stick and cutting it on 3.5 centimeters. I have already colored it using same peach color. So in total we need 6 these kind of sticks, and then taking back the pot shape, and I'll start attaching these sticks in a circular manner on top of this. And in this way you can create the basket easily. Just leaving approx 1 mm to 2 mm gap between each stick, and this is done. So cute. Then to make the base, here I am adding glue and sticking on the craft cardstock again. allow it to dry, And then after drying, I'm just cutting the excess paper around this. And the basket is ready. Now add glue on this flat base and sticking it exactly in the center of the ice cream stick base. And this is done. Then I am decorating the bottom of the basket using border design. I have used white color cardstock to create the border. Then I am just randomly adding some white color polka dots randomly here and there just to decorate this. Like this, and then adding 2 gold mirror cardstock strips on top and in the bottom just to add little shimmer to the base. It is looking very attractive. Like this. Then I'll start making my flowers. For my first flower, I'm taking half strip of white color in 2 mm and making one leaf shape. For all my flowers, I'm using 2 mm strips only today. So I have already prepared 3 more petals. I'm joining 4 petals together. And flower is ready. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking half strip of red color and making one tight coil. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. So just attaching the center. Then to create stem, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color. Only for the stems I am using 3 mm strips. And the tight coil is ready. Then just passing the pencil through this and making a cone shape. Then passing one wired pollen through the cone, fill the cone with glue, taking back the flower, push it on your palm to make it little 3D and sticking with the stem like this. And super cute flower is ready. Similarly, we need total 4 flowers. Now for the next flower, I am taking half strip of pink color and making one teardrop shape. I am joining total 5 petals together for the flower. And in the center I am adding yellow color tight coil which is made using half strip. Then again putting it on the palm and making it little 3D and sticking the stem on back side. The stem is made using the same process as we created earlier. And the flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared 2 more flowers. So in total 3 pink flowers and 2 yellow flowers with the same method. I have just used a contrast color here. Yellow for petal and pink for center. Now for the bud, here I have already prepared 3 petals using half strips of pink color. Taking one wire pollen and attaching around this using glue. Just aligning the petal inside each other to close the bud. And the bud is ready, so we need total 4 buds to decorate the flower basket. Then to create the next flower, here I am taking half strip of purple color in 10 mm, folding it 2 times and start cutting it from one corner in a fringe. So I am just creating the fringe flower here. So fringe strip is done. Now I am attaching 1/4 strip of yellow color with this and start rotating it from the corner and create the flower. Flower is ready, just opening the fringes nicely from front. And on back side of the flower I am just covering completely with glue and sticking the stem with this. So this is completely dried and now I'm just opening the fringes. And the super cute purple color fringe flower is ready. With the same method, we need total 4 flowers. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of dark sap green color and making one leaf shape. So I have already prepared some more leaves. Now to create scroll, I am taking here 2 pieces of light green 1/4 and 2 pieces of dark sap green 1/4, joining all strips together, folding it from center and start twisting it using pointed tweezer. Just cutting the excess strip from bottom and securing the bottoms using glue. And the scroll is ready. Similarly, I have prepared some more scrolls already. Now taking back the basket and just to attach the flowers nicely, I am taking small quantity of clay here and sticking it in the base of the basket, and then I'll start tucking the flowers inside the clay. So just add little bit of glue in the bottom of each flower and tuck it in the clay. So I'll start arranging my basket from left side, just using the contrast color. Try to avoid repeat colors together, but if it comes, it is also okay. The flower basket should look colorful and nicely balanced. And this is done. Now I'm just decorating the sides using these scrolls. I have also attached leaves here and there randomly to fill the extra gaps, adding some scrolls on the top as well. And this is done. Then on the top I am just adding some half cut pearls on each sticks. Similarly adding some half cut pearls in the bottom, and here I am using 4 mm pearls. like this. And then at the end I am adding a strong magnet on backside of this. And the super beautiful flower basket ice cream stick fridge magnet is ready. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.